but you're outside your body dreaming. That's REM, rapid eye movement, correct? Yes. All right, now, here is where we get into the understanding. Now, although he's dead and this 7 sinners are there and he's beaming, he's getting together, if he is a brother, even if he has done some wrong, but most of the brothers who get lynched, they are there for a reason, and one reason is they made a mistake or they was in the wrong place at the wrong time, because in this order where President Bush and all these guys connect to, this is called the order of the what? The Bohemian Grove. And they say that instead of killing niggers now, we have what they call an effigy. E-F-F-I-G-Y. Effigy. It's fake. That's what they told the news media. And they wear these robes, and the robes have different colors. The highest ranking individual wears black. Even in the Klan, they know this. Black, red, brown, then white. This auric field that is around this human body still is good. So now you begin to wonder what else is happening there. So what is this? So for those who can't see with the sun shining, this is the black tourmaline. This is the solar eclipse. This is a black aura figure. Has Brother DeBar used a black aura figure at all? I know some people have asked me a long time ago, have you ever used a black auric figure that shows the black aura? When we first started, there is the black aura, and it's surrounded with gold, and it's surrounded with the indigo blue colors that outline the body. Yet, when we first began in our first one study, was a black auric field, an individual. That means he or she is of a high spiritual dimension. But they said black is A, B, and C, oh, goodness, and white is this and that. Shut the hell up, please. They have lied so much. There's nothing else to say but that. You've got to understand how deep it is and how they have lied to us. And we got to get out of this field of misunderstanding. So, now that you see what's going on, you see here, and then you have this. This is the birth circle. And this wheel is something that is based upon many, many years of research and development that we have come up with that is 98.9% true and accurate. This is a scientific study out of the UC College, Berkeley, that shows the auric field and the points of energy of the body of a certain individual. Now, in my new text, you'll see where I don't have the Jewish letters, I just have these as a foundation, and you'll see where I have Zakana, Tana. Zakana means elder, Tana means teacher. I'm an old one, and I'm a teacher. Some people thought that Zakana means teacher. It does not. Zakana means, as you refer to, elder. Tana is teacher. And actually, Tana Ayah. But in this term, F is where I connect to my name, Fred, which is Frederick. DeBar, in short, is the name, because it's DeBar Ayah. But DeBar Ayah Sha'al, that is my name that I have. What is the aura? Some of you have already asked me this, and we've already done a study on this, and we have done this in the beginning of Lincoln Heights. But what the aura is basically the electromagnetic field that surrounds the human body, all right? and every organism and every object of that figure or that domain that is classified within that body or object. In that structure is where it connects to the cosmos or the universe, or I like to say the heavens. The universe meaning uni, one verse. That one verse goes back to Genesis 1. Better shit, that's whatever. Now, in 2005, Rabbi Ginsburg sent me an email, and it dealt with the changing of time and understanding how the concept was of the God universe in Israel. In there, we talked about how we're dealing with the separation of time and what the prospect was and the ayin. In the understanding also, my understudy, we're dealing with Abayar, and here's the thing where we talked about the ayin, and the ayin where we had a development where it showed from the University of Israel Institute that the ayin is 90 or more percent replace the aleph. The aleph is only about 7 to 8% true. And it is not a vowel, it is a constant that deals with the first gate. But the ayin makes it the actual gate. And so that means that most of the Jewish letters that have the aleph is really the ayin. But because of the sacredness of that, they have said it's the aleph. But really, it is the ayin, which is the ayana. Ayana na'aya. Now, in that connection, we know that that is 0 with the 7, multiples of 10. Here's the fact. This energy field is the collection of electromagnetic energies of varied densities that permeate what? That permeate thought and emit or exit from the physical body of a living one. These particles of energies are suspended around the human body, and they come to a point where in the oval shape and like an egg. And this is why the Jewish rabbinic order and Christians on Easter have eggs. The eggs and the colors represent the auric field and the bodies of different individuals in what they call the rainbow body. And they said that Joseph won the coat of many colors, and that is the rainbow body. There is where it said, I shall give you a promise, or something of that nature, where it said that, and it said what? There will be a rainbow, and it shall be what? Come on, anybody. Beautiful, I like that. What's that? Right, in other words, the rainbow is a covenant or a promise from Yah stating that I will always be with you. But most people look to the heavens and they see the double rainbow in the physical, but they don't look at themselves. Yes?
So the Easter egg hunt is not a fertility rite?
It is a fertility rite dealing with the individual. It deals with Induna, which is the goddess of the plant, and Maya and all that other stuff. It's collectively dealing with the young maidens and the bitch, but also it has the oval and the egg representing the seed and the connection to the golden. And in the golden, it is the egg. That's why you have a boiled egg. And remember how we used to deal with yoga? And I explained whatever book, there's thousands of books on yoga, but find a book that explains, and you two know about this, find me a book that explains that yellow circle in the yoga stance. It doesn't exist. That yoga stance and that yoga yellow circle spear is the bitch domain to the gate of the abyss. They made a movie about it called what? The Fountain. And remember she said, finish it. And when he got finished, he was finished. He didn't get her, he didn't do nothing. He was trying to plant seeds in snow and ice. We all know, and he was an educated, extremely scientific surgeon and doctor, but he couldn't plant seeds in ice. It just don't happen. Understand this. Now, the body in itself has a light that emits from it. And in that, you begin to understand and feel these things. What happens is